So in this quick video I'm going to show you how to sell one of my coins that I've got in a flexi fund on Binance, and I'm going to convert it because the price is up. So I'm going to sell it to Great British pounds, and the coin is Cardano, which is ADA. As you can see here, I've got it just in my flexi fund, so I've been holding for the moment, and it's just been communicating interest. So I'm now going to sell it because the price is at a high. So all I'm going to do is just click redeem, max, confirm, and then go back into my overview. And if I scroll down, there you go, now it's back in my portfolio. Now what I'm going to do is just click on the trade. Now as you can see here, I'm just holding 600, and if you just jump over to the coin market, we search for it there, it's actually gone up in the last 24 hours at 20%, so it's gone to $178 per coin. So I think that's very well priced, and I'm now going to cash it in. So I go back over to my Binance, and then all I'm going to do is select trade. Now down here you have a number of different options. So as you can see here, I want to trade it, and I'm going to trade it into Great British pounds. Now if you do the drop down button and there's nothing actually there that you want to trade it with, that's okay, that's not a problem, because you can do it when you get to the trading platform. So I'm just going to select the Great British pound trade, and then it's going to take you to this screen here where it's just going to totally confusing to many people, but it's straightforward. Now as I mentioned in previous videos, down here on the left and the right, you've got your order books in your red and your green, so you buy and sell. Now there's a number of different ways that you can do this. Now if I just scroll down, in fact no, if I scroll firstly up, if your parent list isn't there, then all you can do is just search it by adding here. So if I just go to the Cardano, the ADA, and then if you scroll down, it'll come up with all the pairing signs in there. So again, you know, I could just press that one there, but it's already done for me, and it's the same for any coin that there. So for example, Doge, you know, all the pairings for Doge would be up there as well. So all I'm going to do is just keep to that. So I'm just going to scroll down now, because I want to sell. We're going to select the sell. So basically I'm going to sell me Cardano. Now it's there, it's got available there to sell, so all of the sell there. So that's what I'm interested in now. But if you just look over into here, you've got a number of different options. You've got limit, market, and a stop limit. So basically the limit is just telling you if you want to sell it at a bit of a higher price and make a little bit more profit and take the gamble, then you would select that. There's other videos on how to do that later, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the market price now, because I'm more than happy with that. So I'm just going to select market price, and all I'm going to do is just select the total here by just dragging it up, and then that's going to give you the selection there. Then all I'm going to do is just select sell my Cardano. As you can see there, it's created. Now if I go back, firstly if I go into my order history, look, there you go, so it's in the order history. So that's filled. So basically there, I'm getting 732 Great British pounds for that, which I think is really good. Now again, I'm going to monitor this, and I'm going to hold it inside of my Binance, because if the price is to drop within the next few days, then I'm going to buy more, and then I'm going to keep my profits in there. So if I was to just go back now over to my Binance, and I'm just going to refresh that. As you can see there, my Great British pounds has now shot up from there, and now my Cardano has been sold. Now this bit here was just where I was accumulating. So that's it, guys. So to come to withdraw that into your bank, if you want to do, there's other videos on there, but you would go to the withdraw and then you would just select it. Now currently Binance at the moment at this time of the video are not allowing any withdrawals. So, you know, but this is how you would do it. Go to the fast payments, withdraw whatever you want, and it will select, it will send the finance to your chosen bank. Okay, guys, so that'll be it for this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.